we are going to take a look at confirm box in this video, and of course the one we worked on already was all about alert box, which is this one you're seeing right here. And if you click on this alert button right here, it's going to show up this, and it says hello, and it says pre-order my JavaScript babysitting course now at 5 USD. And I know that you may be curious, this is not the interface that we used earlier before now, and of course I kind of updated that, and I'm going to show you the CSS because I'm going to use the same template for the confirm right now. All right, so as far as this alert is concerned, it just pops up this information, and then we'll have only this button that says okay, which if you click on it, it dismisses. So we're going to take a look at confirming this one, and then confirm it kind of comes with two buttons, and we're going to see how it works right now. Now if we go back in here, and I'm going to do it in such a way that we should be able to like maybe visit my YouTube channel if someone clicks on okay. But if they click on something like let's say something like cancel, they can get returned to this website that we are right now. And what I want to do, first of all, let's change this from alert box to, I'm going to call this confirm. All these things are just part of a pop-up, and this is what it is right now. Now what I want to do is I basically would like to create JavaScript down here. So I'm going to just do script, and within this place I want to go ahead and create a function. So to do that, I'm going to just do function, and I'm going to just say accept action, and that's just basically going to be the name of the function I basically would like to create right here. So let's throw in our curly brackets in here. What I want to do is going to be very simple. I want to use an if statement right here. So I'm going to just say if, and within this if statement right in here, what I'm going to basically do is if. So if a certain thing that I'm going to specify right in here, of course, I'm going to use confirm method. So this is going to be confirm. Let's make sure I type that correctly, guys. Otherwise, it won't actually work. So we have confirm, and we can throw in this course, and we can say something right in here. We're going to just say, do you want to visit, let's say code kinder, let's say YouTube channel, something of that nature. All right, or we can change this to maybe this information that we have in here. Do you want to order code kinder YouTube? In fact, I want to copy this right in here. Let's copy this message, and I want to use that to replace here. This is going to be Geo want to pre-order my JavaScript babysitting course now at 5 USD. And then if the answer is yes, we can go ahead and then redirect them. If it was a website, we can put the website URL right in here. What I'm going to do is to just basically redirect them to my YouTube channel. So hoping that that particular stuff is just right there. So we're going to just do window, and we're going to just do dot. This is going to be location, and we're going to just do, and then we're going to just do .href right in here, and then we can basically specify the URL within this place. So to do that, I'm going to just do, let me just check my YouTube URL. If we go to, I think I should be even be able to even remember that. Let me just copy this, go back right in here, not here but on this place, paste that, and I just basically want to do /, and I'm going to just say at code kinder. All right, so this should be able to take people to my URL. So we have that right in there. Now the next thing we can do is we could offer, let's go ahead and enter an else part right in here. In case they hit on cancel, what's just basically going to happen? Then we don't want to basically do anything right in here, so we can just let me just do a comment and just say do nothing or return to the same page. Let's do the same page, and just like that, guys. So I think that's just all that we need to do right in here. However, we need to call this function within our button right here, this particular button, and to do that is very, very simple. So I want to take away this alert, and we can go ahead and then put in the function right in here. So this is on click accept action right in here, and that should just basically kind of a work right there. So let's change this to confirm, maybe confirm action, or whatever we want to do right in there. We can basically say anything. So I want to save the changes, and then if we go to the browser right in here, and the update has taken place, we do have confirm box right in here. And then if I hit on this confirm right here, I'm going to hit on this, and it's going to say, do you want to pre-order my JavaScript babysitting course now at 5 USD? If you say yes by clicking OK, let's see what is going to happen. You see that it takes us to my YouTube channel, and this is basically my YouTube channel. So for those of you who are not already here, you should feel free to go to this channel, and feel free to just basically subscribe to my channel right in there. All right, so this is my channel, and I do have quite a lot of videos right in here. I think I have over 316 videos that you can just basically be able to use to learn more about coding in general. All right, so that is just what it is. I want to go back and I want to refresh here. So if we hit on this button again, And this time around, let's say I don't want to go ahead and then purchase that JavaScript babysitting course, we can hit on cancel. Then if I hit on cancel, you see what happens is that it returns to this page and nothing happens right in there. So it does not actually go to any other place. Now I'm going to just basically stop right here. You can make this however you want it to look, change this button to whatever suits what you're doing. Now if we go back to this interface, let me just show you what I did to the CSS. I only added this line for the gradient, and I was able to like split the screen into two the way that it is on that page. So it's just basically what we already got before now, based on the last video that we did based on that of the alert. So we have basically everything. They are just basically the same. I only changed just one line that I've shown you just now. All right, so we should also be able to say this is JavaScript confirm, and that's just what it is, pop up. So what happens is that at a later time, we're going to also take a look at that of the prompt. And with prompt, you should be able to like, maybe we can collect an input from a user right here, right? So we can collect an input here from the user. They can type something and then we can collect information. So that's just what it is. Let's test this one more time by hitting on OK. It takes us back to Code Kinder YouTube channel. You can go right in there and then hit on the subscribe button to subscribe to us. And if you're interested in purchasing the JavaScript babysitting course, you can pre-order that at this time at 5 USD. And I'm going to just basically add you to the class and you can start receiving classes, beautiful classes with real life projects, just like this one that you're watching right now. All right. So if you want me to like do that one of the prompt, go to the comment section and then drop the word prompt. And I'm going to just record that and upload as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.